Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been super long since I've recorded anything. It's felt really long for me, but I think it's only been like a month, barely about to be a month since I've recorded anything. I'm trying to get like everything situated here. But let's see, let's think. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an update of where I've been. This whole entire time that I've been gone, I was trying to do vlogs on the weekend. But I would start my vlogs and then I would forget to record the middle and the end. So I have like a bunch of intros for vlogs that never got finished. And I was just like, screw it, I'm going to have to do the video, the makeup video, and just explain on there where I've been, what's been going on. So a quick update about what's been going on and why I've been gone. For the first 2 weeks of the month, I was subbing my mom while she was gone to Mexico. She went on vacation and I was subbing for her, and I just didn't have time. I was working my regular job and I was also working my mom's job in the afternoon. So I would go in at 8, get out of my job at 5, go straight to the other job, my mom's job, and get out around 8:30 to 9. Latest sometime was 10. It was really like sketchy sometimes. And then on the weekends I would work as well. So I was just really packed with work for those 2 weeks. And then I finally came back kind of this week. My mom came back last Friday. So this whole week I've been just kind of like taking some me time, catching up on my sleep, because I've also been really extremely tired. I've just been exhausted. You know, I'm not used to working my morning job. I just sit. I don't do much. But in my mom's job, it was a little bit more. You had to get up. It was more of an actual having to do things. So, you know, I wasn't used to it. My body wasn't used to it. Although I had been going to the gym as well. Another reason why I hadn't been recording is because I had been going to the gym, so that for those 2 weeks that I was going to be subbing for my mom, you know, kind of make up for that. But now I'm back with videos. I'm also going to start going to the gym, hopefully, and I just hope to get back in track. I also got another mirror, you guys. So a lot of you don't know my setup here in my room, but I have a camera. I use the Canon EOS, the Canon Rebel T6 is what I use, and that does not have a flip camera. So what I do is I put my camera right in front of my mirror, my big vanity mirror, and then I put another small mirror right here, this one right here, and I put it facing toward the bigger mirror so I can see everything on the other side of the camera facing this way. It's just a really weird setup. Maybe I'll show you guys. So this is my setup. So there's my camera, there's my big vanity, there's a small little mirror, and so what I do is I face it towards the, what do you call it, the little thing over there, the big mirror, and it faces towards me so I can see. So I also need another mirror for myself. Sorry about my bed, super messy. So I also need a mirror to face me so that I can do my makeup, like, you know, close-ups when I need to do like a cut crease or something like that. I usually have to have the freaking mirror like right up to my face. So you will be able to see the mirror on the corner. And I'm really sorry about that. It's just, I mean, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. But yeah, Happy New Year's, you guys. Merry Christmas. It's really, really extremely late, but it does, you know, it's better late than never, right? So I will have some vlogs coming up for you guys as well. My birthday is coming up, so I will have a fun little road trip vlog coming up when that happens. But yeah, I think that's everything that I need to catch you guys up on. If I did forget something, I'm sorry, but I think that's everything. Whew, I'm out of breath. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this video. Today I'm deciding that I'm going to do just like a little dramatic look to go out, basically. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera like always, but you guys let me know if you all want to see an updated and English version of my eyebrow tutorial. It has changed a little bit, not too much, but I have changed some products in the way that I do my eyebrows. And I have been working on my eyebrows, you know, thinning them out, not too much, but thinning them out from when they were super thick. So I'm still in the eyebrow process. So let me know if you guys want to see that video. And yeah, so I'm gonna go do that real quick and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I'm finally done with my eyebrows. They're not the best, but they'll have to do because they'll have to do. Now that I look at them, oh my god, don't look at my eyebrows. They look weird. Hold on. Okay, they don't look that bad here, but they look weird. Okay, you guys, when I look at this mirror here, it looks like one of my eyebrows is like way up here and the other one's like way down here. Oh my god, please no. Okay, I'm about to cry. Whoa. Okay. Ew. I don't know what the fuck it is, but like me veo. I'm looking at myself and it literally looks like this eyebrow is up here and this one's down here. They're like this. What the fuck? Maybe they are like that. How the fuck do I fix that? Oh my god. Es que me salen. Okay, maybe. Hold on, guys. I thought I was finished, but now that I look at myself, I look like shit. Okay, maybe me tengo que sacar esos pelitos. Oh shit. These two right here. Alright. And kind of like rub this part. Okay, now it doesn't look so bad. I don't know what it was, but it was like that pelito. It's so weird how like one little hair can like fucking alternate everything. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the eye look today. I did see this look on this Instagrammer that her name is like Glam by Flo, and she did this really cute little look. It's simple, but it's like, you know, kind of like like out there. So I really liked it and I want to recreate it. Where is my base? I lost the lid. I don't know. Okay, so we're going to start off by putting a base, and I'm using the Pro Conceal Concealer. This is by LA Girl in the color Natural. I usually go in the one by NYX. It's really fucking good and it just goes on so like smooth. It's like, I don't know what it is. I don't like it for my, ew, what the fuck? I don't like it for my under eyes, but because it has zero coverage, but for like base and stuff, it's fucking bomb. I did get my hair done, when was it? Saturday? No, what the fuck? Saturday? Wednesday. And I didn't like the color she gave me. It was like really yellowy on my hair. I mean, yeah, it was like yellow. And I didn't like it. It doesn't go well. It didn't suit me really good with my skin complexion. It just I looked really washed out. I didn't like it. So I ended up telling her that I didn't like it. Well, no, I didn't tell her. So I ended up going to Sally's. And I went and bought, what did I buy? It was like a demi, like, it's kind of like a semi-permanent thing color to overlap it. And it gave me like this really brownish type of look. I feel like it looks kind of green. But then again, I might be going crazy. I don't know. I think somebody's in my house. What the fuck? Okay, to set the lid, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm going to go in the lighter color. This is in the, I know they have like 3 shades. Oh, Caramel Toffee, 750A. And I'm going to use this like fluffy big brush. Alright, I set my eyes, and now I'm going to go in the Juvia's palette, this one right here. And oh, I actually tried recording a video with this palette not too long ago, like I said, and it didn't work out for me. The color, this blue color, there's hardly any pigment in it. I just feel like colors like that, and even I feel like even the green or the yellow are going to be really hard to get like color out of them. They swatch good. This one did, and let me try the blue one. They swatch good, but once you start, you know, what do you call them? Like blending them in, it gets like really muddy and yucky looking. And I don't know, I didn't really like it, so I'm going to give it a second try. I'm just going to use a couple of colors to create the look. But it's just, I don't know. Yeah, we're going to go in this orange color. I don't know how to say these names, so I'm not even going to try. It's this orange color right here. And we're just going to use that as our... there's a lot of fallout as well. But it's pretty typical, I guess, in palettes nowadays. We're going to put this as our transition color. And I am using a NYX brush in the number 16. It's kind of like ovally. Now we're going to go in the Morphe palette. This one I just got for Christmas. My boyfriend gave it to me. It's the 35F palette. Y ya lo tengo bien cochinito. I can't ever keep my palettes like clean. I don't know what the heck is wrong with me. But we're going to go in this color right here. It's super pretty. I've already been playing with it. It's this one brown color down there. And we're going to apply it kind of lower in and more tightly into the crease and the outer corner. Okay, so now to kind of cover the lid, I just used that color to kind of go everywhere, that brown color. So now I'm going to go in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go in with this brown color right here. I don't know if that's brown or purple. I can't really see anymore. And I'm going to pack that kind of like all over the lid, but kind of leave the front part alone. Kind of, but not really. I'm going to go back into the orange color just a little bit with the little flat brush. And I'm going to go over like this section right here to kind of bring out that orange. And same thing over here. I'm going to go in this color right here. I think it's like Aya or something. It's the yellow one in the Juvia's palette. And I'm going to apply that to my crease. I mean to my inner corner. But it's like, I don't see anything. I'm going to go ahead and start on my face. And to start off, I'm going to spray my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. And I'm just going to spray that all over my face. Once that has dried up, I'm going to go in the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. And this is what it looks like as my primer. I'm just going to put some lines here. Now that I have my primer on, I'm going to go in my foundation, and I'm going to be using the Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline. For concealer, I'm going to go in the Maybelline Concealer in the color Sand, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. To set my under eyes, I'm going to go in the Luxie Powder Banana Powder from Makeup Revolution. To bronze up my face, I'm going to use the Better Bronzer to do that. And I'm going to go in with a BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. For blush, I'm going to go in the Milani Baked Blush in the color Luminoso. And I'm just going to Instead of going in with like the brown and the orange on the bottom line, I'm going to go in with that blue. We're going to give that blue one more time. Please don't fuck up my look. Please do not fuck up my look. For highlight, we're going to be using the Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'm going to go in the summer color right here and mix it in with the bronzed. For my lips, I'm going to go in the color Leon in the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is my like all-time favorite. To set my face, I'm going to go in the Pro Fix by Makeup Revolution, and this is what the little thing looks like. Okay guys, so I finished my eyes, and I'm really liking the look, you guys. I love it. It's so cute, and it's just, I don't know, it's like, okay girl, like, I see you. I think I'm going to go ahead and do my hair real quick. I don't want to because it kind of looks really cute like this, all messy and shit, because I don't ever seem to get it like a cute messy. But I kind of also want to see what my hair turned out, the color, once it's short. So I'm going to go fix my hair really quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. I'm back, guys. Okay, so now I'm back, toda ya peinada or whatever. This is like the first time that I've actually done my hair for YouTube. I don't really like my hair. I feel like it's still like, maybe it's the brows. I'm not really sure what it is. I feel like that by my birthday I'm gonna go back to black or like a really dark brown, because I feel like this doesn't suit me. Like, no me va. It looks kind of weird. Maybe if I part it in the middle. Let's try that. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I like the look in general. It's really cute. At first I wasn't really digging it, but I'm really liking it right now. The only thing that I don't really like is my hair, but I think that by my birthday I'm going to probably go back to black. I don't vibe with this hair color right now. Alright, I might not go to black, but I might go to like a really, really dark brown. I'm not sure yet. But anyway guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little sloppy and a little bit here and there, just because I kind of got unused to the videos and stuff. But I will be making more videos and try to stay more consistent with you guys, because I know this sucks being persistent and stuff. But without further ado, if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.